This video is taking a quick look at a generator from a 1960 Chevrolet, looking at how it converts mechanical energy to electrical. So this is a motor from 1960 that I'm working on. I've just disconnected the negative line to the battery. And this is what I'm working on today. This is a generator. Newer cars have what's called an alternator, but they both do basically the same thing. They use the motion of the motor, which is already running, to make the car go, and tie into that power to turn some of that power into electricity. And so this generates electricity from the mechanical energy of the engine. That recharges our battery and keeps everything like a radio and lights working in the car for as long as we have the car running. All right. It's squeaking a little bit, so I'm going to take it apart and change the bearings, which should help me and maybe you too learn a couple things. All right, so the connections here, you've got a positive and negative that charges the electromagnet or field coil, and you've got two wires that go back to the battery, back to the regulator. Here you can see inside the generator, now that I've popped it open. So this is what's called our armature or rotor. This is the part that spins on the inside of the generator. Notice that it's really just an electromagnet. Okay, this is the commutator up at the top. The commutator connects to these two brushes, and that basically is where the electricity goes. This is a field coil. This is going to be an electromagnet that's turned on when the generator's in action, and the electricity is going to be generated in this armature, go into the commutator, into our brushes, and move on to the battery and the regulator. Notice that other motors work the same way. This is from a box fan. You've got the rotor that spins on the inside. It's a permanent magnet, and it spins around inside that electromagnet. This is a motor from a vacuum cleaner, I think. Notice that it's got two electromagnets there too, one on the inside, one on the outside. That spinning is what is caused by electricity running through that magnetic field. Hope this helps you wrap your brain around how generators work. Thanks.